So, today we're going to talk about a piece of tech that's trying to solve a problem that, let's be honest, drives us all crazy. Trying to find your own picture in a giant sea of event photos. The technology is called Kamero, and yeah, it's using AI to totally change the game.
All right, let's just start with a question I know you've asked yourself before. Picture this. You've just been to an incredible wedding, a huge conference, or maybe you even ran a marathon, and the first thing you're thinking is,
Where on earth are my photos? You know exactly what I'm talking about, right? A few days later, you get a link, you click on it, and bam, you're dropped into a gallery with thousands of pictures. And then the endless scrolling begins. It's a feeling we all know too well. And that, right there, is what we can call the events photo problem. It's this endless, kind of frustrating search for our own moments. So let's dig into why this has become the standard way of doing things. And look, it's not just annoying for you as a guest, right? You're waiting for days, then sifting through photo after photo. But think about it from the photographer's point of view. It's a total logistical nightmare for them to try and give a personal experience to hundreds, if not thousands of people all at once. But what if there was a totally different way to do it? Well, this is where AI comes into the picture. So let's talk about the solution. A platform called Kamero, which was literally built from the ground up to solve this exact problem. So what is Kamero, really? Well, it's an AI-powered photo platform. And the secret sauce is that it uses some really advanced face recognition to help you, the guest, find your photos instantly. We're talking no more searching and definitely no more scrolling.
and when I say instantly, I really mean it. The AI can rip through a massive gallery and find your face in under 3 seconds. To put that into perspective, that's way faster than it just took me to say that sentence. It's wild.
Okay, so how does this actually work for you as the person at the event? Let's walk through what it feels like to find yourself instantly, because this, right here, is where you really see the magic of the AI in action. The whole thing couldn't be simpler. So behind the scenes, while the photographer is uploading photos, the AI is already working, indexing every single face it sees. So all you have to do is open the gallery on your phone, you tap a button that says My Photos, and then you just take a quick selfie and boom, the AI pulls up every single photo you're in right there on your screen. And the end result is this beautiful, simple promise. You see every photo you appear in without having to scroll through thousands of other pictures. It's such a simple idea, but for the actual experience, it's a total game changer. Okay, so it's an amazing experience for guests. We get it. But what about the folks running the show, the photographers and the event organizers? Let's take a little peek behind the curtain and see what their workflow looks like. You know what? It's actually dead simple for them, too. It's basically just 4 steps. They sign up and they get a free account that even comes with a trial event. Then they create their event, switch on the AI face recognition feature, and upload the photos. After that, they just share the gallery with a simple QR code or a link. It's designed to be completely effortless. Now, one of the smartest things here is the flexibility they give the pros. There are actually a few different ways to get photos online, depending on what you're doing. There's a super simple web portal you can use on any device. Then there's a powerful desktop app for max speed. And then there's this thing called CamSync, which for live events is a whole other level. Yeah, let's zoom in on CamSync for a second. Just imagine this. You're a photographer at a huge concert. As you're taking pictures, they're being beamed directly from your camera to the cloud in real time. This isn't some sci-fi concept. It's literally what CamSync does. And the benefits for a working photographer here are just huge. I mean, first off, you get an instant cloud backup. So that terrifying moment when a memory card gets corrupted? Gone. It works with all the big camera brands, Canon, Nikon, Sony, Fujifilm. It even supports teams with multiple shooters. It is a massive leap forward in both how fast they can work and, honestly, just peace of mind. And the speed isn't just about uploading. When guests go to download their photos, the platform is a staggering 10 times faster than a lot of the traditional cloud storage services out there. So yeah, it's pretty clear that speed is a huge part of the whole package. So you might be wondering, who is this actually for? And you might think, oh, it's probably just for weddings. But this tech is being used for all sorts of events, from pretty small gatherings to absolutely massive public ones. The versatility is pretty incredible. It's perfect for weddings, obviously, but also for big corporate events and trade shows. Schools and universities are using it for a secure way to share photos. And of course, it's a natural fit for those high-energy events like marathons, sports games, and music festivals, where people want their pictures now. And just so you know, this isn't some small startup testing an idea. The scale here is really impressive. Kamero has already been used for over 50,000 events. And get this, it's shared more than 200 million photos. This system is tested, it works, and it's already being used all over the world. When you kind of step back and look at the whole thing, you realize this is about so much more than just finding photos faster. It's about fundamentally changing our relationship with the memories we capture at these really important moments in our lives. And that kind of leaves us with a bigger, more interesting question. When our memories are no longer buried in some giant, unsearchable digital pile, but they're right there at our fingertips, instantly, how does that change how we feel about them? Does that immediate access make them more meaningful? It's definitely something to think about.